except operator is used to return all rows in the first select statement, and then it removes all the rows that are present in the second select statement. So basically, if you have one table, it will first take out all the rows that you wanted from that table, and after that, it will remove the rows that are present in the select statement of the second table. So basically, it is combining the two tables in the sense it is removing the parts of table 2 from the table 1. The syntax for this goes like this. You'll mention the first select statement, which is select the expressions from table 1. You can specify where conditions if you want to. Then you'll write the keyword except. After this, you will write the second select statement, which can work on the second table. Important thing to note here is the expression 1, expression 2 that you write in the first table should be same as the expressions in the second table that you are selecting. Let us look at an example how this is used. For example, if you want to find out the customer IDs from the sales table for which you do not have the customer details in your customer table, we will use the except keyword here. We will first select customer ID from the sales table. This will give us all the customer IDs from this table. Then we will write except those customer IDs for which we have data in the customer table. So those will be removed. Only those customer IDs will remain for which we do not have the data in customer table. Let us go and write this. So let's start writing select customer ID from the first table, sales table, except customer IDs from customer table. Let us order them by customer IDs. You can see when I run this query in the result set, 10315 is present because it is present in the sales table and not present in the customer table. 10375 is not present because it is present in both the tables. 10480 is not present because it is not present in the sales table itself. So all the customer IDs for which you do not have data in the customer table are here with you. This is the except operator. Next we will look at the union operator. Next we are going to discuss the union operator. Union operator combines the result sets of two or more select statements. So in except, we saw that it is giving us the result set of one table, and from that it removed the result set of the other table. Union is combining both of these result sets, and while combining, the duplicate rows from both the result sets will be removed. So it will be similar to the select distinct. So the syntax for this union operator is you select the expressions that you want from table 1. You can specify where conditions also. Then you write union, just like we wrote except. Then you specify the second select condition with expressions. One thing to note here is, for expression 1 in the first statement and expression 1 in the second select statement, these two should have the same data types. If expression 1 in first select statement is integer, it should be integer in the second select statement also. And the number of expressions in the first select statement, if it is n here, it should be n in the second select statement also. You can specify more than 2 select statements using multiple unions. Let us look at an example. Suppose you want to find out all the customer IDs that you have in your database. Either they are present in the sales table or they are present in the customer table. To do that, to get that combined customer ID table, we will use the union operator. We will write select customer ID from sales table and union select customer ID from customer table, and we will order this by the customer ID. Let's go and write this. So select customer ID from sales table union select customer ID from customer table. Order by customer ID. Just compare that this is exactly same as the except query that we wrote, just that except is replaced by union. Let us run this query. So you can see 10315, which is not present in the customer table, is present in our result set. 10375 is part of both and it is present in the result set. 10480, which is not part of sales table, is present in this result set. So basically all the customer IDs are present in our result set. This is how we use union, and this completes the joins and other table combination operators.